Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to duplicate a Shopify store. So first things first, log into your Shopify account. On the top of the screen, you will see search bar. Click on it and type Duplify and then hit the enter button. And a new window will open up like this. And here you can see we have this Duplify app. So click on install button to install this application and wait for installation to complete. Once it is installed, Duplify will be added to your Shopify apps section. Now that Duplify is installed, it's time to duplicate your store. Now open the Duplify app from your Shopify apps section, and on the screen you will see the first option, which is Connect Stores. And here you will see this option of Start. Click on it. Now you need to enter the details of the other store where you want to duplicate the information. To do this, you must provide a unique key, the store name, and an email address. Once done, click on Duplicate, and it will proceed to step 2. Now in the second step, you have to choose what you want to copy from your original store. So you can choose products, collections, pages. Simply tick the check boxes for the content that you want to duplicate. If you want an exact copy of your store, then select everything. Otherwise, you can customize what gets transferred. And once you have made your selection, click on Next. Now you will land on third and final step, which is to buy the membership of this Duplify app. So you can choose the membership plan which works for you. And once you're done, Duplify will now start duplicating your store, and that's it. If you're ready to start your own online store, don't miss out on the special offer in the description below. Click the link to try Shopify for 3 days. No credit card required, and just pay $1 per month for the next 3 months when you sign up.